All right, all right, all right. Let's go camping. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with a detailed look, walkthrough, a little education about this brand new 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor. The model is 251BH. BH stands for bunkhouse. So here's a tour. I think you'll really enjoy it. Let's get started.
First thing, a little bit about Grand Design. Widely known as one of the highest quality manufacturers out there in terms of how they build them. And to give you an idea, the whole framing here basically built just like a house. I mean, it's 16-inch on-center studs and then residential fiberglass insulation that they take the time to secure between all those studs. And so that way, you know, as you're towing this over the years, the insulation's not going to have the ability to shrink down in the walls and, you know, leave some empty airspace. It's always going to stay really well insulated. The floor, again, is fully insulated, residential style, and then the underbelly is enclosed. And they have a direct ducting system that supplies heat right down there into the tank area. And so that qualifies this for that extended season camping, you know, earlier in the spring, later in the fall, heck, maybe all year. And then as you take it up to the roof level, it's actually double insulated. So they have a full sheet of the residential insulation, comes all the way across, and then fully comes down the front cap. And then that's all backed with a layer of the reflective insulation. And so the R values are incredible. In the front cap and the roof, it's actually rated at R40. And then R11 in the floor, R9 in the walls. And so, like I said, you know, very well done. And then another big Grand Design feature. A lot of companies, when they bring these two, the front cap and the sidewall together, they're going to put on a molding and they're just going to put maybe a little bit of silicone in here to kind of seal that up. Okay, Grand Design, at the very base where these two pieces come together, there's a full layer of butyl tape. The stuff is absolutely 100% waterproof, and that's what really sets that seam. And then there are two layers of the foam PVC tape that go on top of that, then the cap, and then they do silicone this whole thing. So it's actually 4 times sealed on not just this corner, but the whole line with the roof, everywhere the panels come together. You can't do it much better. All right, welcome inside. Just want to go over some of the major features in here, give you an idea. Most of your bunkhouse trailers, this is an all-new floor plan from Grand Design. And you know, a lot of your bunkhouse trailers, the bunks are kind of just fit into the back of the trailer, fairly small area. What these guys came up with is you actually have your 2-bunk system here. And then behind this sofa, you've got a great big pad. So this, you know, converts into easily a king size, actually a little bit bigger bed. And then the top is pretty close to a queen. And then during the day, you can go ahead and lift that up, set the sofa back up. So you do have a nice sofa, still plenty of floor space. And then you can use this space behind for additional storage, as well as a nice big wardrobe closet here. You know, moving over to the horseshoe dinette, get some light on that for you. This is not only comfortable to be able to fit, you know, the whole family around, but when it converts into a bed, it's nice and long. It's pretty close to 7 feet there, and so you're not having to sleep across at an angle like a lot of the standard dinettes. And then Grand Design is really great at storage. You've got cabinet doors from the end, so you don't have to go down through the top of the booth. You can get in there. And then even over here, same type deal. You've got some nice cabinet doors, and so you have real easy access to your storage underneath there. Okay, and then across from that dinette, the TV is mounted in here so that it's fully extendable and you can change the angle. So if you're over here, you know, sitting at the table, want to have the show on, or if you want to sit on the sofa, you don't have to watch, you know, off from the side of the TV. And this is a smart TV, so as far as all the streaming and stuff, already built in. Great cabinet space, or excuse me, counter space, and again, a whole lot of storage. And then one thing Grand Design does a great job with, they don't go inexpensive to save a few bucks on lesser appliances. This is all Furrion equipment, including the microwave. So these appliances are actually built to be in an RV, and they can handle the extra vibration, the temperature changes, things like that. A nice stainless steel farm sink, and so you're never going to have to worry about this, you know, cracking up like a resin or, you know, turning that funky yellow color. It's always going to stay nice. And being the farm design, you can fit a whole pan down in there, so, you know, you can have that lasagna on your trip. And then the nicer fixtures does have the removable spray head, so you can clean everything out real well. Okay, and coming into the bathroom, lots of features here. Probably the biggest one, just the size. For an RV, this is a huge bathroom because they utilize the space all the way across. But being a bunk model, if you have people sleeping in the back bedroom or the master bedroom, which I will get to, and you have people out here in the main, there are 2 doors, hard sliding doors, and so there's access from either side. That way you still have your privacy, but everybody can get in here if they need to. Again, Grand Design, nice counter space wherever they can fit it with lots of storage. And you come over here to the shower, and this is, you know, not one of those little tiny stuck in the corner. Give you an idea, I'm about 6'1". I've got plenty of space in here. And then from there, kind of come back in, it has a full, you know, the master suite, master bedroom. Again, that hard sliding door, queen size bed. Nice windows up here so you can ventilate your slide out on either side, and even some more storage, you know, with some USB ports in there so you can get the phones plugged in, everything there. And then on the back, again, really good storage, a couple more wardrobes for the bedroom, plenty of cabinet space, some counter space to be able to set things down, just have some room. And then already set up here if you want to add the bedroom TV, really easy to do.
Well, I sure hope you found that tour helpful. I know I did. For more information about this unit or others, check out brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.